Hello, my name is Rafael de Lima and I'm the graduate assistant for the Fairchild Challenge number 3, Sounds of Nature. In this video we will be discussing film scoring, storytelling and music, their relationship, and a little bit about musical notation. I videotaped a series of images at the University of Miami Lake to serve as a basis for this tutorial video. Let's take a look at the edit material. This video is somehow similar to the idea of the challenge, but not quite the same. It is shorter, it's only 50 seconds, and is not just a time lapse, and it's not just an environment. So now you have some kind of a map of what is going on in the film, and we have to think how to work the ideas and the feelings that are in the story, in the image, to music. I'll play for you what I did for this video, and actually I'll just play the image of the performance and try to think what should be going in the video. Could you follow what was going on in the story, in the music? Let's see the actual image with the music. One of the main ideas of the challenge is to put together traditional instruments and non-traditional instruments. So for this video, I end up using some of the things that you've seen in the other videos, such as body percussion, some rock leaves, and some keys. And I also I did a score. Actually, this score here, this is part of the score, and I'll show you how I notated like the traditional instruments and the non-traditional instruments. Let's take a look. Music and storytelling is a very, very broad subject, and today we have just touched some of those elements and some of those concepts. But I think it can get you started. Good luck.